You just got married?
Yeah.
10 months.
10 months ago?
Yeah.
Wow, how is it going? लड़ाई हो रही है नहीं हो रही? So this is our last couple for the night. After this, we'll head home. What are your names?
I am Sarthak and she's Akanksha.
Sarthak and Akansha. Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Are you guys married?
Yes.
How long have you been married for?
10 months.
10 months?
Exactly 10 months.
This is your 10 months anniversary?
Yes.
Oh.
Didn't thought it.
Chalo, I'll give you some nice memories today, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
Would you mind telling me how you first met? पहली बार कब मिले, कहाँ मिले, कैसे मिले?
It was arranged.
Well, it is an arranged marriage.
It's an arranged marriage.
Yeah.
I absolutely love arranged marriages, you know.
Better than at least Insta and Tinder marriages, yes.
Again, I don't judge. I mean, सबका
No,
अपना
no,
अपना
no,
है.
that's
जो
perfectly
जहाँ से मिले.
Yeah.
Yes.
हाँ, right?
Well, we are Jans, basically.
अच्छा.
So,
दोनों?
yeah.
Yeah.
तो हम जब first.
जेनियो में जेनी ही शादी करते हैं मोस्टली.
और खासकर arranged marriage हो रही है तो.
Yeah.
Yeah. Arranged marriage means Jan. कुछ और ऑप्शन नहीं होता फिर आपके पास.
Did you wanted to go for arranged marriage or हो गया?
Yeah, no. I was completely ready for the arranged marriage. And I guess
I was a bit
so
skeptical.
Okay. Did you have relationships before?
Yeah, we both did.
You both did it. Did not work out?
Failed love story and there we end up.
अच्छा हुआ ना fail हो गई.
Yeah.
That's why you're together.
True.
And I'm spotting you right now.
Yes.
हमारे जो महाराजी वगैरह होते हैं तो उनकी समाधि थी वहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट टाइम मिले. आई डिडंट लुक एट हर फर्स्ट. जाके मैंने दर्शन करे and I was like,
ऐसे से देख रहे थे ऐसे थे.
no, it was like पहले मैं दर्शन करूँगा पॉजिटिव वाइब्स भगवान का आशीर्वाद लेके उसके बाद आई विल मीट हर.
What was your first impression of her?
बोल्ड कॉन्फिडेंट.
What was your first impression of him?
I liked his beard and that is what made me flat.
She married me for my beard and because
And this is actually the truth.
अच्छा.
मैंने हाँ इसीलिए बोली थी because okay दिल्ली का लौंडा है and beard है. Trust me when I'm saying it, this is absolutely true.
Okay. So you manifested a guy with a nice beard.
I love beard. I love beard.
Okay. I mean, what's there in the beard? Like when you kiss him, like कुछ होता है क्या? What?
No, I have a lot of space.
So what's up with the beard? I mean, why do you like beard?
I don't know, I'm
Does
obsessed
it
with beards.
appears more manly or क्या होता है?
Yeah, obviously it makes you look manly.
Right. And she was looking for a manly guy.
मोमो जैसा लड़का नहीं चाहिए था ना चिकना टाइप.
Damn.
So yeah.
तो आकांक्षा is saying जो लोग शेव कर लेते हैं वो मोमो जैसे बन जाते हैं.
Yeah, exactly. Chickne momo types, and I don't like them at all.
She is like, if you want to leave me तो शेव कर लेना मैं चले जाऊंगी.
Yes, actually.
You know, have you seen those videos जिसके अंदर वो बंदा शेव करके and especially they look for the reaction?
Oh yeah.
You should do it. You should do it. You should definitely do it.
No, I can't
एक
take
बार
the
शेव
risk.
करके risk नहीं ले
He
सकता.
knows the consequences. Honestly, he knows it.
I don't want to die in my sleep.
सीधा पेपर पहुंच जाएंगे.
अरे पेपर्स भी नहीं मैं कहाँ पहुँच जाऊंगा मेरे को उस चीज़ का डर है.
Beautiful. What bonds your relationship? What do you think?
Oh, what bonds our relationship? For me, it's like these little bits of fights and then the happy moments and then like मुझे तुम नहीं चाहिए मुझे तुम चाहिए and all of that drama. मतलब
Basically, we are crystal clear. उसको मेरे बारे में सब पता है, मुझे उसके बारे में सब पता है. So it's like you are free. You can live your life like a bachelor. I don't mind it because I trust him to that level.
तो इसको बैंकॉक जाने दोगे अकेले?
हाँ.
पता कितना लकी हो तुम? मतलब कोई आइडिया है तुम्हें?
Yeah, I know that.
So, and कहते हैं जब इसका बैचलर्स था like 1 year back, इसके बैचलर्स पे ना मैं ज्यादा एक्साइटेड थी कि do this, do that. And do not disappoint me. These were actually my words.
तो सब कुछ बताया इनको जो हुआ तुम्हारे बैचलर्स में?
She never asked. And I was like, if you ever want
What
to
happens
ask.
in your bachelor's? A bachelor stays in your bachelor.
Those are your happy moments. Don't want to trespass.
नहीं बहुत लकी हो यार तुम. तो सार्थक and Akansha. Akansha, what's your favorite thing about Sarthak now that you absolutely open in front of him?
Yeah, he is honest. I mean, he is very, very truthful and honest. मतलब जो उसके दिल पे है वो उसकी टंग पे है. कोई sugar coating नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. Even if we are fighting, we are in our happy moment. He's very clear, very sorted.
How about you? What's your favorite thing about Akansha?
Her confidence. I love her confidence.
I can see that.
How
Yeah.
can you forget my cooking skills, huh?
Oh, those are some perks that I got. I was not expecting आजकल की लड़कियां कहाँ cooking आती है.
हाँ.
So I was like, I didn't even ask her that question when we met. So she was like, "Are you a foodie?" I said, "Yeah, I love to eat." And she was like, "I love to cook, but I don't eat." And I said, "Oh, that's perfectly okay."
ओके वाओ तो मतलब रब ने बनाई जोड़ी लग रही है ना एक को कुक करना पसंद है पर खाना पसंद नहीं है एक को खाना बनाना नहीं आता पर खाना खाना पसंद है
Yeah.
तुम खाना वाना बनाते हो
नहीं,
मैगी बना लेते हो
हाँ मैगी
पानी उबाल लेते हो
बेस्ट मैगी सार्थक
देखो
जैन.
जिसको कुछ नहीं आता ना उसको मैगी बनाना आता है
Yeah.
है ना
बट बहुत अमेजिंग बनाता
एक पागल बनाता है वो इंसान जिसको कुछ नहीं बनाना आता और दूसरा मैगी बनाता है वो
है. ये सिर्फ मैगी बनाता है.
Wonderful, yeah. I'm so happy I spotted such a lively and bubbly couple.
Thank
My
you so
content is pretty
much.
short, जो खासकर Instagram पे होता है. I try not to make part 1 and part 2 with my couples. I try to keep it, चाहे जितनी चीजें छूट जाए, I try to keep it one reel. But तुम्हारे केस में मुझे लग रहा है मैं एक रील से काम चलेगा नहीं मेरा. I'll have to make more than one.
Oh
reel
my
for
god.
that. Thank you for opening up, yeah. Thank you for
Thank
being
you so much.
so
Thank
bubbly
you.
and so nice. I end the interviews on a very positive note when I click a few pictures. Would you mind अगर कुछ photos click करूँ आपके? Can you hug, kiss, whatever comes naturally? Beautiful. Now can you hug? Can you hug? Can you hug? Beautiful. Can you look at me? While you're hugging.